I'm on a journey to showcase as many locally owned businesses here in the city of Grand Prairie. And today's journey took us to Prairie Kebab.
Welcome to Prairie Kebab. I'm here with Naveen. Did I say your name right?
Yeah. Hello. Like more than 25 years I'm in the industry. Okay. So it's been working with so many people, so many hotels, so many restaurants. So in this place there are few halal food restaurants. So that's why we wanted to have a halal food to provide them a good opportunity.